Hi there, Dr. Mark Smith from Progressive Chiropractic here with a little health tip for you. I was inspired to talk a little bit about changing family nutrition after a concerned parent chatted with me last week about making some changes in his family's overall nutritional health. So he got his health risk assessment after our initial exam to give him some tips on how he can live better overall for himself and his family. And he started asking me like, geez, there's a lot of nutritional recommendations that you've made for me to stay away from dairy, to stay away from wheat, sugar, all these kinds of things. And I realized that me and my family have been going down this completely different path nutritionally for quite some time. And he was feeling a little overwhelmed about making changes. And so I chatted with him a little bit about how he can simplify this process. And really my first tip is to, first of all and foremost, try to add healthy changes before taking negative ones away. In other words, if you have somebody who really loves to eat a donut every day and it's something that they just can't go without, it brings them a little bit of happiness, they get something from it, you don't want to just try to say, hey, stop eating that donut and just take that away from them, because they're getting something from it, they're getting some fulfillment from that. Instead, what you want to do is try to get this person to eat an apple before they eat that donut, or maybe eat that donut while they're going for a walk, for example. So in the case of this guy's kids, they're eating maybe Frosted Flakes with milk every morning for breakfast before they go off to school, when really that's maybe not the best nutrition for them. What I recommended is that maybe he start giving his kids a smoothie before they start having their cereal in the morning. So in other words, getting some good nutrition into the kids by grinding up some greens, some blueberries, maybe putting a little bit of orange juice and some flavored protein powder in there with a banana, so that they're really charged up prior to school. And then they can have their sugary breakfast cereal before they take off for school. So that's one simple way to make some changes in the lives of your family and in your own personal health. Add healthy things first before taking away negative ones. That's all for today. Talk to you again soon.